Welcome to dontgetrekt. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Morocco. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the exchange. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com or click the link below. Once on the website, type in Morocco and you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Morocco. Step 2. Register and KYC. This process usually involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. Step 3. Deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. The process for doing this may be different depending on the exchange you've chosen, so be sure to follow their instructions. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to check out the updated list of all the exchanges in Morocco. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a new video and can continue learning about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the Don't Get Wrecked Academy. Link below. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.